In our busy world, we often miss the quiet marvels hidden in plain sight. A simple stone, a forgotten book, an everyday object, each can hold a secret, waiting for a curious eye to discover its true nature. Sometimes, the extraordinary whispers from the heart of the ordinary. Today we embark on a journey to uncover 5 remarkable treasures found in the most unexpected places. These are stories of quiet revelations, proving that with patience and a shift in perspective, we can find wonders all around us. Sometimes the most extraordinary treasures are hidden in the most ordinary places. Our journey begins at the river's edge, where countless pebbles line the banks, so common they're barely noticed. Among them lies one stone, unremarkable to the eye, its grey exterior shaped by centuries of water's touch. One day, a passerby picks it up, feeling its unexpected weight. A sudden impact splits the stone, revealing a heart of deep celestial blue, a near-perfect sapphire. Light dances within the gem, igniting an inner fire. This sapphire formed deep in the earth, shaped by immense pressure and heat, then carried to the surface by volcanic eruption. Over centuries, the river protected it, smoothing its shell while hiding its treasure. The sapphire's hardness let it survive the journey, its plain exterior the perfect disguise. Now, the two halves lie open. The sapphire's brilliance a testament to the earth's artistry. From an anonymous pebble, it becomes a vessel of wonder, a reminder that beneath the surface, the extraordinary waits to be found. The river's patient work has delivered a miracle, hidden in plain sight. This is not just a story of geology, but of discovery, of how the ordinary can conceal the magnificent. The next time you walk by a river, remember, every stone could hold a secret. The world's wonders are often just beneath our feet, waiting for a moment of curiosity. Sometimes all it takes is a closer look to reveal a hidden gem. The river's secret heart is a lesson in patience, chance, and the beauty of the unexpected. Nature's greatest treasures are often disguised as the most mundane. The sapphire's journey is a story of transformation, from the depths of the earth to the palm of a hand. And so, the river's secret heart is revealed. Now we enter a quiet library or antique shop where countless books gather dust, their secrets overlooked. One old volume, its cover cracked and title faded, seems forgotten. But midway through, a subtle bulge hints at something more. Carefully, the pages are parted to reveal a hand-carved recess holding a silver bookmark topped with a deep red ruby. The ruby glows with quiet intensity, a stark contrast to the faded pages. This was no ordinary bookmark, it was crafted with care, hidden within the book as a secret treasure. Was it a scholar's private companion, or a clandestine gift from a secret admirer? The book, perhaps a treatise on botany or astronomy, becomes a vessel for a much more personal story. The ruby is not just a gemstone, it's a message passed through time, its meaning now left to our imagination. Holding the bookmark, you feel the cool silver and the warmth of the stone, a tangible link to a past life. The true value was never in the words, but in the hidden brilliance between the pages. Sometimes the greatest treasures are found where no one thinks to look. The scholar's ruby reminds us that beauty and meaning can be hidden in the most unassuming places. Every book on a shelf could hold a secret, waiting for discovery. The ordinary becomes extraordinary with a single careful glance. In the world of knowledge, even the forgotten can shine. The scholar's ruby is a testament to the magic of curiosity. Our next discovery is found in the kitchen. A simple cream-colored porcelain teacup, unadorned and overlooked. Used daily, its true nature is hidden in the most unlikely place, the base. One day, a chip or a curious glance reveals a tiny fleck of green in the foot rim. With careful work, a perfectly cut emerald is uncovered, embedded within the porcelain itself. The emerald's deep green glows, its natural inclusions a signature of authenticity. The craftsmanship is extraordinary. The stone set into wet clay, concealed beneath a thin layer of porcelain, then fired in the kiln. Why hide a gem in a teacup? Perhaps it was a master potter's secret signature, or a clever way to smuggle a valuable stone. The cup, once a humble vessel, becomes a work of art and intrigue. For years it held not just tea, but a hidden treasure. To drink from it now is to touch a secret, to feel the thrill of discovery in your hands. The ordinary teacup is transformed, its story forever changed. It reminds us that even the most familiar objects can hold surprises. The emerald at the bottom of the cup is a celebration of hidden beauty and human ingenuity. Every object in our daily lives could be more than it seems. Sometimes the greatest treasures are right under our noses. The next time you lift a cup, remember, the extraordinary may be just beneath the surface. The emerald's secret is a testament to the joy of looking closer. The ordinary once again becomes extraordinary. In a workshop filled with sawdust and tools, an old wooden toolbox sits, battered by years of use. Its handle, dark and cracked, finally breaks, prompting a repair. Inside the split wood, something glitters, a rough, uncut diamond hidden deep within. The handle was crafted in two pieces, hollowed out to create a secret compartment, then glued together and stained to hide the seam. Why hide a diamond here? Perhaps the carpenter was fleeing danger, carrying his only wealth in the safest place he knew. Or maybe it was a prospector's greatest find, concealed in the object he trusted most. The toolbox, a symbol of honest work, became a secret vault. Every day the diamond travelled with its owner, hidden in plain sight. The rough stone, forged under immense pressure, connects the world of hard labour with the world of hidden value. The toolbox's history is suddenly transformed, a story of survival, secrecy and resourcefulness. The ordinary object becomes a guardian, its simple appearance the perfect disguise. The diamond's discovery is a reminder that even the most worn and humble things can hold incredible secrets. The carpenter's diamond is a tribute to human ingenuity and the instinct to protect what matters most. Sometimes the greatest treasures are hidden in the tools of everyday life. The next time you pick up an old tool, consider the stories it might hold. The diamond's journey is one of resilience and hope. The toolbox, once just a container, is now a legend. The world of labour and the world of wonder are closer than we think. The carpenter's diamond proves that value is often where we least expect it. Even in the roughest hands, a hidden gem can shine. Our final discovery lies in a garden among the rocks edging a flower bed. One sandstone rock, rough and unremarkable, has sat for years unnoticed. A harsh frost or a gardener's spade splits it open, revealing a core of dazzling opal. The opal flashes with iridescent fire. Green, blue, red and gold shimmer across its surface. This play of colour is created by microscopic spheres of silica, formed over millions of years as water seeped into the rock. The rock's journey brought it here, its secret beauty hidden until now. The owner, stunned, holds the two halves, an ordinary stone transformed into a natural treasure chest. The opal's value was always there, waiting to be seen. Our recognition doesn't create its beauty, it simply allows us to appreciate it. The garden stone is a lesson in perception. The extraordinary can be concealed in the most mundane settings. Every rock, every patch of earth could hold a secret of immense age and beauty. The opal's discovery is a reminder to look closer at the world around us. Even the most familiar places can surprise us. The garden stone's secret is a final celebration of hidden wonder. The ordinary once again reveals the extraordinary. The opal in the garden stone is a fitting end to our journey. The ground beneath our feet holds stories waiting to be told. The river pebble, the antique book, the teacup, the toolbox and the garden stone. Each began as something ordinary. Yet within each lay a secret of extraordinary beauty and value. These stories remind us that the world is layered and wonder often hides just beneath the surface. True value is quiet, waiting for a curious glance or a gentle touch. Keep your eyes open. The next hidden gem could be right in front of you. Sometimes the most precious things are hidden in plain sight.